All right, this is Walt Brewer with Network Funding and your Friday mortgage market update for August the 31st. Squeezing out the month in a really good way this week. As bad as the picture looked in the last 2 weeks, the last couple of weeks have been improvement, and some big improvement here, as you can see, jumps off of the 10-day moving average there. And as I had said before, once we close a couple of times on the positive side of this moving average, it starts to act as a level of support. And we saw that as we bounced up really well today. If you look at this longer term chart, you can see we really made up a lot of ground in a very short amount of time. The thing to be cautious about is anytime there's a big swing in one direction, as we saw in this direction, there can be equal swing in the other direction because the traders make money moving the market around. Also, anytime we have an individual day that shows this much improvement, you have to look back and see how you can give that back, or a good portion of it. I like this trend, this movement. We are being pulled back to this very long-term trend. It started back in the middle of March and continued through the beginning of August. And that's just a very strong thing. Even if you break away from it, you will get pulled back to it, as you can see here, and as you can see in various movements as we go along that line. So I'll keep an eye on all that for you, and be sure and make it a great weekend.